Okay, I'm just going to share a few quick tips about grading in the gradebook. So if you go into any of your sections in Canvas, the menu here on the left has the grades or gradebook. And when you're in there, the default order is to put all of the assignments first, all of the discussions second, and then the attendance at the very end. If you want to see things in the order they come due, there's another way to filter the view. So under View, you can arrange by, and then we're going to arrange it by the due date. So it's going to order these as they come in. This oldest to newest seems to work the best. And this way we're getting the week 1 assignment, then the week 2 discussion, then the week 2 assignment, then the week 3 discussion. So it orders things by the due date, and it's a little easier to keep track of. Another feature that's nice to know about in Gradebook is setting a default grade. So if you go through and read the discussions your students have submitted, and you want to then go in and give a point to each person who has submitted theirs, first you go through and mark those who haven't submitted it after the due date, mark it to a 0, so there's a grade entered, and then you can set the rest of them that have submitted to a default grade of 1. So if you put a default grade of 1 there, you won't overwrite any of those zeros, and when you set that default, all the ones that were submitted will get that 1 point. It's just a little quicker than clicking into each one and making it a 1, or opening up SpeedGrader and going through each one. So there's some ways to be efficient with this, and hopefully that helps give you some ideas on how to approach the gradebook.